maybe speaking Tagalog is not so bad.
Yeah.
After all.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that. I mean,
I'm
shocked.
My life has changed.
It changed your life?
Yes. Yours too?
It changed my life. Wait, your life changed?
Yes.
And my life changed?
At the same time.
On the same video?
On the same video!
Oh my gosh, it's so awesome! Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dwaine and with me,
Jake with little...
Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dwaine and with me is
Little G!
And
we are Foreign Vlog Invasion!
Yo, what's up everybody? It's been a while since our last vlog.
It's been a long time.
We miss you guys so much.
Dwaine and I love the Philippines.
So much, guys. We have a song, Pinoy.
Yeah.
Pinoy.
Kasama Pinoy. You know what though? That's so great that I love about the Philippines so much, Dwaine. Everybody here speaks English.
Exactly. We don't have to learn their language.
We don't.
It's amazing.
And honestly, with all the views we're getting, we don't really need to, do we?
That's right. We can just keep speaking English.
But here's a weird thing though, Dwaine. Believe it or not, there are some white people who speak Tagalog.
What? No. That's not fair. Who speaks Tagalog that's white?
Some assholes. They're pitting Pinoy.
Guy sounds like a total tool, man.
Yeah. And then there's another guy. He's Dwaine Woolley. Dwaine?
What is he like, trying to be The Rock or something?
Yeah.
Dwaine? What a stupid name.
What a dumb name, trying to copy The Rock.
Oh, so many fake vloggers in the Philippines, man.
Yeah, I've never heard of them up until now, but the only Tagalog creator that I know of is Bisayan Hila.
Oh yeah, I've seen him. He has long hair. Yeah, he's like the Tarzan of the Philippines.
Swings from limb to limb, does some cool backflips, and speaks Tagalog. He speaks Tagalog so good, and I think he's in the South Islands.
Oh yeah, like in Mindanao.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mindanao.
Yeah. So guys, let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Yes, and let's watch these flippin' English Tagalog. White people who speak Tagalog.
White people who speak Tagalog. Okay, I'm gonna get a bit freaked out by this. This is kind of weird.
Yeah.
White people that speak Tagalog, like who? Why would they learn it?
I know, everybody speaks English here, right?
Are they trying to show off or something?
Yeah, like what losers
wow, you speak Tagalog.
Okay guys, so we're gonna watch these two guys speak Tagalog. So, I miss Alamanos, man. Alamanos was so
Alamanos
good.
was amazing. Wow, like the people were just so cool. Here we go.
All right.
We're about to go out onto the water.
Wait. They're in Alamanos.
What?
Yeah, that's
They
Alamanos.
copied us, man. They copied our idea.
They're over yonder, and we were just.
Wait, they're speaking English?
Sea creatures.
They're speaking English.
No, maybe they don't speak Tagalog.
Yeah.
Maybe they just pretend they do just to look cool.
Yeah.
But losers.
Well, losers.
Are there sharks? There's no sharks.
There's no shark there.
There's no sharks. What kind of sharks are there?
You said there's no sharks there. Who is this guy?
I know, right?
There's stonefish.
A stonefish? I've never even heard of that.
What is
swimming in the ocean
I
there?
don't know.
Not yet. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Kasi natatakot ako eh, baka daming pating dun.
Natatakot din ako eh. Sana.
What is happening?
Oh my gosh!
No, they did not.
What?
What is this?
What is this? What is the meaning of this?
Gagawin po namin ang English only prank dito sa Pangasinan.
English only prank, that's all I understood.
Yeah.
100 Islands.
So wait, they're pulling pranks on innocent Filipinos?
What?
That is so mean.
Hanapin po natin ang ating unang victim ngayong araw.
Victim? They're finding victims?
Do you guys serve like the kind of burgers that they have at like Burger King?
Yes.
Like they're like a BK king, double, triple stack.
What I mean, what he's trying to say is.
Wow, this guy needs to go back to the U.S.
I know, seriously.
It's not so
It's not so big. Is there a lot of meat though?
It's just the patties.
It's just the.
patty, yeah.
So it's like the bread, the
Yeah,
patty,
yeah,
and then.
So they're pulling pranks on. They're pretending they can't speak the language.
Oh, okay, I get it now.
Creatures lurking beneath the ocean.
What is
Are
he
there
speaking
dangerous
English so
creatures out
weird?
there?
I know, right?
Like sharks?
Doesn't, sir. We don't know because we haven't experienced it, that's why.
Oh, okay, I see what he did with the editing. That was good.
Because you don't like saying Dwaine.
Dwaine Woolley.
Dwayne Woolley, that guy sucks.
Oh, he knows it too!
Bakit ka nag-English kung kilala mo ako?
Sabi ko si Dwaine to,
Sayang.
marunong siya mag-Tagalog, marunong
Eh, bakit ka nag-English eh?
Kasi nag-English kayo, sir.
Wow,
That is crazy.
that is crazy. You know, wait, stop the video real
Are they
quick. Stop
really
the
speaking Tagalog, or is this
They're-
just like they're pretending and they're just saying
Yeah,
random words?
you know, I don't know, but I gotta say, you know, I wasn't expecting this, but they're good. Like they seem to be really
Look, yeah, I hate to admit it, but they yeah, I mean,
It
they
seems
seem like they're good.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of making me a bit emotional.
and it's making me think that we should also
Start learning.
Tagalog.
Yeah, man. I mean, wow. It seems like when they start speaking Tagalog, the people kind of like lighten up.
Yeah,
You know?
like they have fun.
Yeah.
They enjoy.
Maybe speaking Tagalog is not so bad.
Yeah.
After all.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that. I mean,
I'm
I'm shocked.
My
I learned
life has changed.
Yeah, it changed your life?
Yes. Yours too?
It changed my life. Wait, your life changed?
Yes.
And my life changed?
At the same time.
On the same video?
On the same.
Oh my gosh, this is so
Si Puting Pinoy.
Oh, puting Pinoy.
That's how you say it. Puting Pinoy.
Oh,
Hi, ako po si Bailey at my
an ad?
Want
to learn Tagalog
What?
with Saya? Phil Talk
What?
is awesome.
Oh, we should
No.
totally sign up at Phil Talk,
Phil
man.
Talk. Let's
Phil
do
Talk.
it. Let's do it. Phil
Yes.
Talk.
Sign up for a
This whole video is a Phil Talk commercial.
Yes.
Tagalog program and the Saya learning program.
Okay.
Okay, we'll sign up to Phil
They
Talk.
pointed at me. They said sign up.
I felt that point,
I
man.
felt that.
I am signing up to Phil Talk.
really
Me
drink,
too.
but you do, don't you, Jared? Are you guys from here in Lupak? Look up, yeah, look up. Right, yeah. Oh, okay, cool.
What does
that
What does
mean?
that mean, Cabedo?
Does that mean slap your knee? Maybe it does. Okay, cabado. Cabado. There you go. I learned a new word.
Yeah, 2 nights ago. So.
Nice area.
Beautiful.
So what's
Well, at least we're saying alamanos correctly,
Yes,
right? I mean, he
yes,
said alamanos.
He
We
did
wasn't
say
saying it right,
alamanos.
yeah.
Yes.
Oy. Grabe nakakapagod talaga no yung trip natin dun sa 100 Islands kanina, no?
Oo nga.
Ako. As in.
Nice speaking Tagalog.
Oo naman, syempre.
Oh.
Para hindi kami mabenta dito, di ba? Kailangan
Can't be sold off.
That's a weird phrase, isn't it?
That is kind of weird. Why would you say that?
I don't know. Oh. See, and then he was kind of shy to answer.
Yeah.
Do you think that's because he was speaking English?
What? Wait. Hold on. Are you saying that if you speak Tagalog, that they will respond better?
I'm thinking, yeah.
I think I've learned something.
Wait,
When you-
what?
I have had an epiphany. No
Yes.
G.
What?
An epiphany.
What, Dwaine?
If you speak English to a Filipino,
Yes.
you speak to their brain.
Yes.
But if you speak Tagalog to a
Yeah.
Filipino, you speak to their heart.
That is profound.
I have goosebumps, man.
It's
I got
all.
goosebumps.
Wait, was that you who said that quotation just now?
Yeah.
This is so emotional.
Why? Why? Don't be shy.
That puting Pinoy guy has a goofy laugh.
The people?
He's like,
The word about the people.
Ano bang maganda sabihin?
But what can we? What is in Pangasinan? What is here that we can go to? Some tourist spot.
I don't know.
100 Island.
Like 100 islands.
100 Island? Ah, 100 Island. Okay. Okay, cool.
Kanina kasi pumunta kami.
See that? As soon as he speaks Tagalog, they all like lighten up.
Yeah, it's so
Right?
fun.
Estudiante? High school, college?
High school.
High school and college.
College.
Halo.
Halo, halo.
Halo, masarap yan.
I know that. Right?
Yeah,
So
I thought it was.
wrong.
Thank you
Halo,
so much
Halo,
for
right?
Yeah, I thought it was Halo, Halo.
So it's
you that
Halo,
we
Halo.
have
Yeah.
a website for learning Tagalog and Bisaya. So if you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, check out philtalk.net.
Philtalk.net.
You'll
Okay.
find courses complete with
Nice.
videos,
Check it out,
downloadables, flashcards, etc. So check it out. $13.99 a month. You
Oh,
can
that's
cancel
not
at
even
any
that
time,
much.
And we are
That's
always
kinda like a Netflix
constantly
subscription.
updating
Right.
the website. Alright guys, kita-kita sa sunod video ng Dwanda. Bye for now.
Wow, he knows like 7 languages,
Oh my
doesn't
gosh,
he?
what a genius. Maybe I was wrong about this guy.
Yeah.
Maybe he's awesome.
Sure.
On the thumbnail of this video, you
Yeah.
have to put "This changed us."
Yes.
I'm inspired to learn Tagalog
Yeah.
right now. Okay.
Me too.
Let Phil talk right now.
Yeah.
Ay nako, marunong na ako mag-Tagalog.
Wow!
Wow,
Ako din! Paano yan?
Nako, paano nangyari sa atin?
Paano?
Nako, ang galing ng Phil Talk. Sign up na kayo sa
PhilTalk! Ang butsay mo.
Ang butsi mong lupda eh.
Wait! Marunong ka rin mag-Bisaya?
Kabalasod ko mag-Bisaya eh. Kaya nagtuon dyan ka sa Phil Talk ba?
Wow!
Ikaw pod magtuon na ka sa Phil Talk para kabalagod na pod ka mag-Bisaya eh.
Pastilan ka dong!
Pastilan sad ka dong.
Oh, guys, thank you for watching.
Thanks so
Maraming
much for
salamat.
watching. Kita-kita sa sunod na video ng
Foreign Vlog Invasion! By the way, this is just a joke. Don't take it too
Yes,
seriously.
we're just making fun of ourselves.
Yes!
With a commercial for Phil Talk.
Wait, what? Okay, that's... Yeah, they tried too hard on that
I think
part.
they did.